This one's gonna be on that next record. It's called Pretty Bird. This is for you, Hope. Desperate is the one whose love is jaded, shaded by a taller